Imagine waking up to not one, but two suns in the sky. How would that change life on Earth? Let's explore the science of what would happen if we lived in a binary star system. First, let's talk about the basics. Binary star systems are incredibly common in the universe. About half of all stars are part of one. If Earth orbited two suns, it would depend on their configuration. If the suns were close together, Earth could orbit both as a single gravitational unit. But if they were far apart, Earth might orbit just one sun while feeling the gravitational pull of the second. Now, what would this mean for life? Well, two suns would radically alter Earth's climate. The extra light and heat could make the planet much hotter. Think of Tatooine from Star Wars, a desert world with twin suns. If both stars emitted as much energy as our current sun, it might be too hot for liquid water to exist, turning Earth into a barren wasteland. But what if one of the suns was smaller, like a red dwarf? That might balance things out. Earth could experience dramatic temperature shifts depending on how the star's orbits align. There could be extreme seasons, with times of scorching heat when both suns are in the sky and cooler periods when one sets before the other rises. And then there's the effect on day and night. Depending on the alignment of the suns, nights could become incredibly short or disappear altogether. Imagine never having true darkness, which could disrupt ecosystems and even human sleep cycles. Plants, animals, and humans all rely on a stable day-night rhythm, so constant light might throw nature into chaos. Another challenge: the gravitational dance of two stars could destabilize Earth's orbit. If the star's gravity pulled Earth too far in one direction, it could lead to wildly fluctuating climates or even fling the planet out of the system entirely. In fact, finding a stable orbit in a binary system would be rare and tricky. But let's get optimistic for a second. Two suns would create spectacular skies. Double sunrises and sunsets, brilliant overlapping coronas, and maybe even unique auroras caused by the interaction of the star's solar winds. It would be a breathtaking sight, at least for as long as we could survive it. In the end, Earth with two suns would likely be unrecognizable. The extra energy, disrupted cycles, and gravitational complexity would make life as we know it incredibly difficult or impossible. But it's fun to imagine what a twin-sun world might look like, isn't it? So, what do you think? Would you want to live on a planet with two suns? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending science ideas.